Good afternoon, everyone. This is Rosalind Girard with the Girard Real Estate Group, powered by Keller Williams. I'd like to, first of all, thank you for joining us, and I have the pleasure of taking us on a virtual tour of a new listing of ours located in Audie Murphy Ranch here in Menifee. And let me just share that virtual tour with you so that I can take you through the front door. Here we are. So the address is 30628 Lone Pine Drive, Menifee, California, 92584. I'm going to drop us in, and as I walk through, I'm going to give you some specific details. So having this Matterport 3D tour, it's as good as you walking through the home. So I'm just going to come out to the entrance because this home has a really very cute courtyard. As you can see, they've set out some lounge chairs because from this vantage point, you have the beautiful sunsets. Let's turn around and come inside. So this home is 3,390 square feet. It has 6 bedrooms, and the beautiful thing about this, it actually has 3 full master suites, 2 of them being downstairs and 1 being a part of the next gen suite, which we'll walk through as well. It also has 5 bathrooms, so never have to battle that out or have, especially if you have a family full of girls, this would be ideal. The lot size is also almost 8,000 square feet, so it's a premium lot and with gorgeous, stunning views because there's no neighbors behind you. So right here, we've walked into the living room, so I'm just going to turn you around a little bit so you can feel how spacious it is. The bright windows, you do have the blinds there, the plantation shutters all there, and waterproof laminate flooring throughout here, making it very easy to keep clean, and it just has an open feel. The kitchen is amazing, and there are a lot of hidden features in this house. For example, all the cabinets and the drawers here are all soft close. So that's something that you would find out when you actually get to the property. Does have double oven, and in here is a beautiful large walk-in pantry. So you have that, and you have a butler's pantry to the left as well. So refrigerator, and this is beautiful quartz countertops, top of the line dishwasher. So you can see this acts like a great room where everybody basically hangs out here. So you've got the family room, you've got the kitchen. This area right here in the middle is big enough for a dining table. They actually move this table that's against the wall across into here when they have guests. If not, they just put it aside. So along when we come down here, you'll see this is going to be approaching our first bedroom. So to the right, that door is to the garage, and we're going to come in here, and right away you see a full bath that is attached with the shower. So all super great condition, and really it's move-in ready. You've got the upgraded doors to all the bedrooms as well. So this is currently used as a nursery. However, it makes for an ideal bedroom, office space, again, nice and bright. And there you have the closets. All right, we'll make our way out and we'll come right back through. I hope I'm not making anyone dizzy. I'm trying to go as smoothly as possible. So I'm going to take you through the next gen suite, which is right through here. So you do have a guest powder room before you come into the next gen suite, which is also very nice because a lot of homes do not have this feature, and then your guests are using what would be a bathroom that is associated with a bedroom. So as you can see, this has its own door because it can be a completely separate unit. So here we have the living space of the next gen suite, and you do have what could be your little kitchenette. So there's room for a fridge, there is a sink, I'm sure you can plug in a microwave. So again, the TVs are all installed and come with the house. So again, plantation shutters, no attention to detail has been spared. And if we walk in here, oops, sorry, I've gone straight into the bathroom. Let me come out first, but well, while we're here, let's have a look. So beautiful decorative detail to the showers. And here, you don't know if you can see, but that right now I'm highlighting that as a control panel to the toilet seat, which is a Toto toilet seat. So you can see it from here. So it's got a lot of features, and those that will be staying with the house, but it's actually controlled by a computer panel. And as I turn you around, here is the second master suite that is downstairs, and it's all part of the next gen suite. So you can see it has recessed lighting, again, soft neutral palette on the walls so that it really can match any decor. So as you see, I'm walking back through. This is a separate living area with the kitchenette, and I'm coming back out. So I passed by the guest bathroom, and we'll save the outside of the house for last. So I'm coming up the stairs, and again, the laminate flooring is throughout here, so makes it, again, very easy and nice and appealing on the eye. So I'm just going to turn us around so we can get up the stairs. And right here at the top of the landing is a beautiful, bright, open loft. Again, for more play area for kids, separate TV room, homework room, office, den, whatever you want to make out of it. So, and then as you come up to the landing at the top of the stairs, off on this side, separate to the rest of the bedrooms, is your master suite. I'll just adjust it so we can look like we're walking in. So very large space. You can see there is a king size bed, and there is plenty of room for the tables. Again, plantation shutters. And with this model, you have a beautiful balcony on the outside. Again, mounted TVs will stay with the property. The bathroom is really, really gorgeous. So you have two closets, a his and a hers, on either side, and you've got tile flooring, but you can see this beautiful shower, tile shower with a bench seat area, but all the areas for the shampoos are all inset. And again, you have a Toto bathroom up here as well. So separate vanities, which is always nice. And again, separate closets and privacy doors for the toilet as well. And again, all quartz countertops and beautiful cabinetry and upgraded doors as well. So very large, spacious area there. And I'm just going to take you out while we're here onto this balcony so that you can appreciate the views. So we've stepped outside. So you can see you've got some deck chairs, lounge chairs. And again, that is your expanse of a view. The site is actually elevated, so there's no obstruction. You sit higher than all the other rooftops. You can see there is a wrought iron fence there, but beyond that, there is a block wall as well. So there's really no one accessing that part of the house. The backyard, as we look down, you'll see that there is artificial turf on the ground as well. And so vinyl fencing on the sides, and the neighbors are sort of set back over there as well. They're a little higher up so they don't overlook you due to the height of the fence. So again, beautiful sunsets over in the distance here, but just a lovely unobstructed view, and which makes the balcony something that you would actually use. And so I'm standing a little bit closer to the edge of the balcony here so that you can get a good idea of what it all looks like. So again, very nice backyard, no grass to mow because it's all artificial turf, yet you get the feel of greenery. And we'll come back inside the house and continue on the first floor. So again, walking through the loft area to the other bedrooms on this side of the home. So again, plenty of storage space. There's cabinetry along the hallway here. And this is the bathroom that these bedrooms share. Again, double sink, plantation shutters. And then you have a bathtub there as well. And there again, you have a Toto toilet seat with the control panel right there. So it's a great feature and certainly an upgrade, and those would remain in the home. And this is our first bedroom up here, aside from the master bedroom, currently used as a gym. But again, nice and bright, and same flooring throughout, so that you have, again, upgraded cabinetry, plantation shutters, and that lovely light flooring. And again, upgraded doors and hardware. And then on your left-hand side, you'll see a very nice upstairs laundry, plenty of room for extra shelving should you want to put in cabinetry. It's all there. And then this is the other room currently used as an office. So this is the third bedroom upstairs. There were 2 bedrooms downstairs. Again, currently used as an office. You have the closets there. Let's step right in. Again, TV already mounted on the wall. Let's step back along the hallway into the final room. Again, this one is one of the larger rooms, currently used as a baby's room, and just all neutral throughout. So really it's just waiting your designer touch. But all the upgrades have certainly been taken care of. It's just going to be, how would you like to make this your home? Either add more color, keep it as is, and just decorate with your artwork, family memorabilia, whatever it might be. All right, so let's just go back downstairs again so that I can take you outside. Hope you're enjoying the tour so far, but I think with this, it gives you a very good idea, especially in today's circumstances where we can't get you into the home. This is as close as it's going to get for a little while until we head back into normal business. Now, this is the beauty of the outside. So you can see it's got a beautiful, full covered patio, which is an extension from what we would call like a solid California room style cover. So giving you plenty of space for all the furniture, outdoor furniture. There is a spa over there in one corner, which is a great feature as well, because as I said, total privacy in this backyard, and the artificial turf. Again, just view, view, view. And then you've got a great side yard as well, where they've got an elevated area for gardening and things like that. And notice the air conditioning unit is off to the side and not right in the middle of your entertaining area, like so many properties. But that is what we're looking at there. And let's see. So here, just to give you a little bit of a better view. So again, this is the house, and the house is solar powered, so you don't have to worry about any electricity bills or anything like that. But again, you can see from the balcony, we saw the expansive views, and from here you also have views as well, but certainly a large area of artificial turf. So low maintenance, low water bills, all around just a great, great property. So if you have any questions, do reach out to me. My telephone number is 951-491-3988. And I would love for you to have serious interest in the property, put in a bid, make an offer, contact an agent or contact myself just to get more details. But it's a great property, up and coming area of Menifee, where movie theaters coming up, being built as we speak, lots more restaurants, easy access to freeway, And again, just an all-round unique property because of the next gen suite. So again, the property address is there, 30628 Lone Pine Drive in Menifee, California. And the final piece of information that you will need, the list price, current list price is $649,900. So we're looking at, say, just under 650,000, but and you're getting 6 bedrooms, 3 of them master suites. You are getting a next gen suite with its own living area and kitchenette. You have 5 bathrooms. The square footage is 3,390 square feet. The lot size is almost an 8,000 square foot lot, but it is a premium lot because it is elevated and no views. The area, Audie Murphy Ranch, does come with a lot of features. There is a sports park, there are swimming pools, and hiking trails, just a clubhouse. I mean, there is just so much that this community has to offer, and all the shopping is literally down the hill. So you're close to the 215 on one side and the 15 freeway on the other. And again, Menifee, up and coming area. There's been a lot of growth, and there's just more to come that will make it that much more convenient for you living here. Again, thank you for joining us on this tour. This is Rosalind Girard with Girard Realty Group, powered by Keller Williams. And again, my cell phone number is 951-491-3988. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you and enjoy your day.